ලාභමාන ව්‍යාපාරය අධ්‍යක්ෂක විශේෂඥ වෛද්‍ය නිරූපක පරිවර්තනයේ මම ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනා කරනවා.
Next, I call now Dr. Nirupa Palivatta, Director Anti-Leprosy Campaign, for the welcome speech and to brief the objectives of today. Over to you, madam.
அடுத்ததாக தொழுநோய் எதிர்ப்பு பிரச்சாரத்தின் பணிப்பாளர் டாக்டர் நிருபா பல்லவர்த்தியை வரவேற்புகிறேன் மற்றும் இன்றைய நோக்கங்களை விளக்குவதற்கு அன்புடன் அழைக்கின்றேன்.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. Today is a very important day for all of us in the anti-leprosy campaign. We are launching Act to Prevent, an action-oriented social marketing campaign which is a product of the long-lasting private-public partnership for leprosy, a joint venture of National Anti-Leprosy Campaign and Alliance Development Trust. It is with great pleasure I would warmly welcome Dr. P.G. Mahipala, Secretary, Ministry of Health, for this important event. Sir, thank you very much for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion in spite of your busy schedule. I would also like to welcome Dr. Asela Gunawardana, Director General of Health Services. Though he is not present here today, his guidance and support for leprosy control is a great strength for us. I take this opportunity to welcome our special guest for today's event, Mr. Roshan Mahanama. Sir, your presence here today is very much appreciated. I would also like to mention Dr. S.M. Arnold, Deputy Director General Public Health Services, though he is also not present here today, for his tremendous support towards leprosy control. I would also like to welcome Dr. Dhammika Jayalath, Provincial Director of Health Services, Western Province, Dr. Chandana Gadanayaka, Regional Director of Health Services, Colombo, and other officials representing provincial health sector. Let me also welcome Dr. Prasad Ranavira, Regional Director of Health Services, Galle District, and former Director of the Anti-Leprosy Campaign, who has contributed tremendously in empowering community and general public for ending leprosy. Let me also welcome Dr. Indira Kahavita, Consultant Dermatologist, Central Leprosy Campaign, and all other consultants who are present here today. I would also like to welcome representatives from the Health Education Bureau, medical officers of health, and all other representatives from other health institutions. Let me also welcome Dr. Sanath, Medical Officer in charge of the Central Leprosy Campaign, Dr. Sujiva Pulikkutti Arachi, and all other staff members representing Central Leprosy Clinic and Leprosy Hospital, Handala, public health inspectors of leprosy control, and representatives from CMC. I would also like to welcome Dr. Dilini Vijayasekara, Consultant Community Physician, and all the MOs of Anti-Leprosy Campaign, Public Health Inspector, and all other staff of Anti-Leprosy Campaign who have worked tirelessly to make this event a success. I would also take this opportunity to welcome our partners in this great event, Alliance Development Trust, its CEO Mr. Godfrey Yogaraj, Director Mr. Raghu Balachandran, Mr. Rahanta, Mr. Williams, and all other officials who are here today. Your contribution, commitment, and invaluable support and efforts taken to make this event a great success is greatly appreciated. Let me also welcome the representatives from other non-governmental organizations, KKM and FAMID, and representatives from the patient groups who support for leprosy control in the country. Let me also welcome all the journalists and media personnel representing print and visual media for this important event. I hope that the information gathered today will help you to make this message to the community. Now let me explain the objectives of today's event. අද දින අපගේ ආරාධනය පිළිගෙන පැමිණි ඔබ සැම ඉතාම